With the new fairy series that just came out, I wanted to show you guys something fun that you could do with the snow angel strand. To make the new snow angel earrings, really simple. You're going to start with your head pin, add one bead cap, crystal, and then a bead cap. Then you'll add the small glass flower, the big glass flower, the angel wings, bead cap, crystal, bead cap. And there you have a little snow angel. Now you just have to make your loop, wrap it around, trim it nice and tight in there, and then add your earring hook, and there you go. A pair of little snow angels.